what is the time at which GD 861 of 2024 comes into existence? That's the first. So we want to know, as a matter of fact, what is the time at which
The UD.
yes,
I'll certainly.
UD 861 of
Yes,
2024 comes into
we certainly answer that.
Lord, your lordships had the benefit of going through this, my lord. I would request your lordships to go through.
Yes, we have.
Yeah, just to assist your lordship, Lord. I am not adversarial, because we are dealing with a daughter and she is a daughter of each one of us. Therefore, my lord, I am taking it in that spirit. Please have a look at, my lord, this left hand side and the right hand side, my lord. Kindly go through it, my lord, with some, my lord, degree of attention. Your lordships, I have gone through, my lord.
Death certificate, yeah. Yeah. May I answer? Well, the death certificate was given at 1:47 p.m. And the entry, UD entry, was at 2:55 at the police station. 2:55.
That is 861?
That's right. There's the second question, your lordships. All subsequent proceedings, whether the inquest report or the CJM's order and all other documents.
What is the GD entry by virtue of which 861 of 2024 comes into existence?
565.
565.
Yes. The entry 565.
And what time is GD entry 565 recorded?
At night, Malat. 2:55 p.m. Malat. 565, 2:55 p.m. I can hand it over.
So GD 565
At 2:55 p.m.
is recorded at 2:55.
Yes.
No, GD was
Yes, it's there.
23:30.
This is a certified copy, Malat.
565 is merely a medical
This
certificate.
is a certified copy, Malat.
Page 64.
Extract
I
from
have
the
the copy of GD
Tala
entry.
Police
It's at
Station daily register. It's not a
3:30.
medical entry.
Lord, at 11:30 night, I have the copy.
No, I have a copy too.
Certified.
We have certified copy, we've just given it to the court. The inquest, Malat.
What is the time?
Yes, give yours. Just make sure, just let's not.
Judicial magistrate,
420 to 440.
the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it.
And the judicial magistrate arrives and conducts it. He comes at 4:10. And then the inquest is conducted at 4:20 to 4:40.
Inquest is videographed.
And the it is videographed.
Mr. Sibal, also, second question, when was the search and seizure actually carried out?
8:30 to 10:45.
8?
8:30 to 10:45. The photographs had been taken before, Madat.
8:30 in the morning or in the evening?
Evening, Madat.
The body was found in the morning at 9:30.
That's right.
It cannot be
Photographs were
before that.
taken. Once the body was removed, Madat, for post-mortem, then only, Madat.
And by whom? There is some relevance. Therefore, my lord, I would like my learned friend to ask. There is some relevance.
Madat, we have photographs from 12:45 p.m. onwards of everything that happened. We have the original with us.
Now, during the course of the previous hearings, and therefore I think though the investigation is going on, we can share this because you've all said it openly.
Yes, Madat.
That there is evidence that there is a CCTV footage to indicate what time the accused
Yes.
enters the seminar room and what time he's exiting the seminar room.
Correct.
Right? This is
Yeah.
shared with us. Now, obviously, therefore, there would be CCTV footage after 4:30 in the morning throughout the day.
Yes, there will be.
Has the CCTV footage in its entirety been handed over to the CBI?
Yes.
Yes, we have taken.
Yes.
We have taken.
You have taken the CCTV
taken,
yes.
footage.
But we had to reconstruct the scene because of the distance.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, how do you explain this statement in your affidavit at small Roman 3 at page 14? Just see the last sentence. Have you handed over, as the Calcutta police handed over to the CBI, the entire footage of the proceedings which took place between 8:30 p.m. and 10:45 p.m.? Because CBI seems to have
Yes.
What is shared with us,
is about 27
minutes.
27 minutes, they say. The
4 clippings totaling duration to 27 minutes. And the proceedings conducted from 1706, that is 5/6, to 22:45 hours.
Mr. Sibal said that
Well,
they have actually
I'm just
conducted from
taking
8:30 p.m., that is 20:30.
I'm just taking instructions.
Yes, yes.
Two separate things, Malad. Seizure 8:30 to 10:45. Well, seizure 8:30 to 10:45 given. Then, Malad, in parts, the videos have been given. In parts, there was some CCTV in hard disk. In parts, completely given, Malad. There was some technical glitch. It was stored in part, but given in full. Hard disk is full. And he's made a statement that I've given it.
It's, in this context, I need to, my lord, come in, my lord, here, because there is something, my lord, which, according to me, is very, very serious, my lord. My lord, I want a flap. My lord, we have the forensic examination report. I will not read it, my lords. But one thing, my lord, is admitted. When the girl was found at 9:30, but I'm sorry, but her jeans were removed and even the undergarments were removed and were lying somewhere nearby. So she was in a semi-nude condition. It is also an admitted position now that there were injury marks on the body and other my lord, areas. Now, your lordships may kindly see the report. Give me copies. And this, my lord, this is a foreign, my lord, your lordships may mark. They have taken the samples. They have sent it to an FSL in West Bengal. And this is the result. And
CFSL,
CFSL West Bengal.
Central Lab, not
Yes,
an
correct,
FSL.
correct. I'm not on anything else. My lord, I have only one copy right now. Please see this, my lord. This is serious. And the CBI has taken a decision to send the samples, collect, my lord, to AIMS and other, my lord, Central Forensic Science Laboratory. The person enters, the body parts are not covered, the lead girl is made nude, there are injury marks, and this is the result of FSL. Therefore, who took the samples becomes relevant. Kindly, my lord, have a look.
The injuries are all set out in the inquiry.
See this, my lord.
See, this is
Lords, copy for my lord Justice Padiwala and Justice Mishra also. Just give me a minute, I'm just flagging it, my lord. My lords may just see, my lord, the highlighted part in the flap portion. There are 2 specimens or 2 swabs and the result.
Mr. Mehta, we have seen now the further line of investigation which is open. We do not want to comment in it in the open court, obviously, so that the course of the investigation should not be affected.
Correct.
We will give you a week's time. Tell us by next Monday what further leads have emerged during the course of the further investigation. We'd like a status report to be submitted to us by next Monday. Mr. Sibal, it's advisedly we should not be referring to what has emerged during the course of the investigation.
Yes, absolutely.
Let the CBI proceed on the basis of what they are now exploring,
Sure,
the leads which they are pursuing.
sure.
And we'll keep it now on next Monday. So that
It's a holiday, it's a Tuesday.
Only a minute, only a minute, Mr. Lord, there is one IA which we have filed, IA 200162. Lord, where, Lord, your lordships were pleased, Lord, require.
Well, before my learned friend says that, I just want,
Deployment, only a minute, Mr.
before my
Sibal, if you
learned
don't
friend
mind.
takes up, just hold on.
If you don't mind, sir, let me just show.
No, it's on the
What
previous
is-
matter.
we'll just pass a short order on this.
Lord, the lady.
Well, I just- I-
officials-
One second. We'll come back to you in a moment. Let's clarify this part.
Yes,
A status report has been, a status report dated so and so has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Full stop. Having perused the report, it appears that the investigation is in progress. Full stop. We direct the CBI to file a fresh status report uh, by the next date of hearing. Full stop. List on so and so for considering the fresh status report to be filed by the CBI. So we take it up on Monday for, Tuesday for considering the status report, which would be then filed by the CBI. Let's see what happens between now and there's a lot of what has been collected during the course of the last 10 days is subject to further verification. And
We'll also
forensic
investigate,
analysis.
my lord, who collected the samples, because this
Fair enough,
report,
it's not-
and
we have not-
we will send.
Neither stop you,
to
nor
other
are we guiding the CBI that we want a particular line of investigation to be
Correct.
conducted. CBI is doing it. You have flagged issues in the status report. You tell us next Monday what further emerges.
Take, my lord, this also on record, the report of the FSL,
We'll return this back to you. Why should we retain it right now?
whichever way, my lord, comments.
We'll return that back to you.
Just one more thing,
Just,
my lord, out of, my lord, the lady,
First, we'll retain only the second status report on the record. The rest of the papers we'll return back to you.
my lord, there are 3 lady companies, my lord, of CISF. My lord, they are not providing the accommodation to them. They have to travel, my lord, from CISF camp, which is 1.5 hour away from the state. My lord, thereafter, my lord, there are several things which we have requested. It is order dated 22nd.
Well,
We are, my lord, almost 15 plus days down the line.
well, as we have provided, in fact, if your lordship looks at our note, we have provided all that they wanted us to provide, everything that they wanted. Just give it to
The
my.
three companies
Yes.
of women constables
Yes, and
who are guarding the
separate
Adipur
accommodation for the
college.
women.
Where are they presently housed?
Well, that's, I just showed to your lordship's Mulad.
Please.
Kindly see, Mulad.
So can I have at least that?
Yeah, we'll just give it to you.
Yes. And I'll also share what is not provided, so that you,
Just give it to you.
at least henceforth you, instruct.
Kindly-
Bro, this is my instruction
And
as on
last
10:30
status
to-
reports, Mulad, sets out everything.
No, as on 10:30 today, my lord, this is my instruction.
No, but we are telling.
Kindly have a look at this, my lord.
This is, this.
We should not be fighting on this, my lord. The CISF,
and Therefore, exactly.
we requested for
once I have
handheld metal
stated-
detectors, we requested for door size metal detectors.
Everything.
other
Everything is
equipment.
provided.
They provided that after 2 weeks, but this is
No,
still
no,
not
we
provided.
provided there.
Let's have a look at this.
Just a second. What is now remaining to be provided? Mr.
That
Solicitor,
is
you have
what I
seen
am-
this. They say for housing one company of women personnel consisting of 54 persons, they have provided at KMCP Day School, which is 2.6 kilometers.
Kindly have a look at 10:30, at 10:30, this is
Well,
yet,
let the registrar of the High Court go and see, Mulad.
Yes.
let 10:30, my lord, this is at 10:30.
Let him go and see.
I don't want, my lord, I am not enjoying.
Can we can we look at this for a moment, please?
Yes, Lord.
Accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations as below. RMO Quarter, Ajikor Hospital, 20 persons. KMCP School, 40 persons. Indira Maitri Sadan, 30 persons. Likely to be handed over by evening today. 2 companies are
Yet to be provided
yet to be
accommodation.
provided.
Some security gadgets are provided, some are not provided. Lord, I'm not gaining anything by pointing this out. This is what is needed. Lord, if some incident takes place, Lord, I stand responsible now for the security, the CISF.
Just one second. Mrs. Sibal, you just check, Ms. Astha Sharma, you can check with the officers.
Yeah,
In your statement, where you have said one company, 54 women personnel,
yes.
that covers one and the same company,
Or,
which is being provided at
54 women
KMCP and
personnel.
Indira Maitri or Shishu Kalyan
no, Mulad, it's
Hospital.
one company / 54 women personnel.
Right, but the same one company.
Yeah.
But now, as of date, they have deployed 3 companies. So the other 2 are yet to be provided by you.
My Lord, when
One
this is
second.
provided.
One
this
here,
is
Mulad,
provided
kindly see
yesterday.
Indira Maitri, that's the other one too.
Yeah, that's the second one.
That's the second one. It's in Indira Maitri, Mulad, which is
So
1.7
we are trying
kilometers.
to tally what they have handed over with what you have handed over. What they have handed over suggests accommodation for one company provided in 3 locations, which includes 40 persons at KMCP and 30 at Indira Maitri Sadan, and 20 persons at RMO Quarter. Now, that indicates that only one company is taken care of. There are other two.
According to us, no.
Persons plus.
Just ask the registrar to go and
Why
check.
don't you,
One
can,
company,
can,
why register?
can we suggest this? Why do we have to ask the registrar to do all this?
Because they are
An
contesting.
officer of the state government and an officer of the, a senior officer of the CISF.
We have done that,
Not one
On
company
ground, we have
can-
done that. They are not wanting, in fact, on the ground, the story is different. What can we say, Manoj?